All right, here it is, the Campark UHD 4K action camera. This is it arrived after ordering it on Amazon. So what's in the box? Let's find out right now. First, it arrived all shrink wrap, a good sign that the camera is new. First, we have to remove the shrink wrap. All right, good to go. That's how it's presented when you open the box. First, on the top, we have the warranty card and some accessory that you can get for this camera. Then we have the user manual, always good to read. Next to the camera we have battery number 1. It really looks like it's pretty similar to the GoPro battery. So battery number 1. 3.7 volts, 1050 mAh. Battery number 2. The camera itself, already presented in this waterproof box. Then we have what appears to be an accessory box. First thing inside the accessory box, it's an extra back door for the case, for the underwater case. Classic GoPro mounts or extension. Classic GoPro adapter. Another of those adapters. They like to give you a lot of adapter. Some sliding on base with the 3M sticker under it. Usually you use those to stick to helmets or to any area where you want to mount your GoPro for filming your action footage. Bike mounts, so if you want to mount this camera on your bike. Some zip tie. A normal frame, if you want to use your camera to mount it somewhere without using the underwater box, there is the mount here and then you can put your camera inside. It looks like a bit like a GoPro 4 used to have, and they have the same frame because they didn't have the mount under the camera. Like the GoPro 9 have now, they have those under the camera itself. But this is the frame for this one. Charging cable, which is USB 2 to micro USB. Some Velcro strap, a cloth, a soft cloth to clean the lens and the screen. And the last accessory they give you, it's those 3M sticker with this cable. And that's it for the accessory, and that's it for the box. And here it is, that's all you get with this kit. Everything is here. So I like the fact that they give you 2 batteries with this camera. Often with the GoPro camera, you only have 1 and then you have to pay extra for the extra battery. So that's 2 batteries right there, which is very good. And then all the other accessories that are included with this camera. Now, time to set it up and try it out. First of all, I wanted to show the curious about the difference between the GoPro Hero 9 and this camera. You will definitely get some good starting 4K camera, but of course it has nothing to do with the GoPro, which is much more powerful and of course much more pricier than this one. As for the visual comparison, here you go, front of the GoPro Hero 9 versus front of the Campark 4K. So you have the LCD screen on both cameras. Now on the bottom, the advantage of the GoPro 9, it has those little mounting fork that are embedded in the body, while this camera have nothing, so you have to use the special frame to mount this camera. Otherwise, you will not be able to access those forks to mount this camera somewhere. So that's a little downside of this one. Now on this side, on the GoPro, we have the power button and the lock for the door. On the Campark camera, we do have the micro USB port and we have the micro SD card slot. And the last port here that looks like a mini HDMI. Top of the camera now, we have the shutter button for the GoPro 9. We have the OK and mode button for the Campark 4K. Back of the camera, we have the big LCD screen on the GoPro 9, and on the Campark, we do have a LCD screen in the back as well. Now on the other side, we have the door to open the battery and the micro SD card slot for the GoPro. On my right here, and on the left we have 2 arrows up and down, and then a slit that looks like the location of the microphone here on the Campark 4K. Advantage of the Campark versus the GoPro that I like is the fact that the GoPro you have to open this door because the camera it's waterproof, and so they put everything inside the camera, so you have to open this door to access the battery and the micro SD slot and then the USB-C charging port. while on the Campark 4K everything is outside, so you don't have to open anything, except if you want to change the battery. The battery door is in the bottom of the camera, so you have to press a little bit down and then to the right here, follow the arrow to open the door for the battery, like so, up, and it pops up. But otherwise everything else it's accessible from outside the camera. The Campark 4K being smaller than the GoPro, of course the battery are going to be smaller than the GoPro battery. On my right here, the GoPro Hero 9 battery versus the Campark 4K battery on my left here. So you can see the difference of the size, and of course there is the difference of capacity. The GoPro battery are rated for 1720 mAh, while the battery for the Campark 4K are rated 1050 mAh, 1050 mAh. All right, and now let's go and do some picture comparison between the Hero 9 and the Campark 4K. All right, let's start this test with the walking normally. So I'm holding the two cameras and I'm walking normally up the street. Now walking normally down the street. Walking again normally down the street. Now I'm going to run. And this is a sound test of the GoPro. This is how the GoPro sounds like. And this is a sound test of the Campark 4K. This is how the Campark 4K sounds like. As for the camera weight, the GoPro is big and bulky and it weighs 5.6 ounces, while the Campark 4K weighs only 2.3 ounces.